Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something bigger than just creating videos, building a YouTube community. Hitting that upload button is just the first step. What truly sets a channel apart is fostering a space where viewers feel connected, engaged, and valued, and they feel like they are in family. Let's turn your channel comment section from a ghost town into vibrant online community. Imagine a group of people who are genuinely interested in your content, who support you, and who engage in meaningful conversation. That's the power of a YouTube community. It's not just about viewers, subscriber. It's about building a loyal audience that become driving force to your channel growth. But YouTube community is not just comment section or commenting. There are many ways you can feel your viewers. They are in family, they are in community. So you can create giveaway in your channel and you can give many things to your subscriber and you can give cash money or any gift or anything you can give them, or you can help your viewers directly with their problems. If they ask any question, you can answer this directly. So I'm going to more discuss about this. How do we cultivate this amazing community spirit? Here are some key strategies. Be patient and engage. Respond to comments, answer questions, and participate in discussion. Show your viewers you care about what they have to say. Encourage interaction. Ask thought-provoking questions at the end of your videos, run polls, and host live streams to foster two-way communication. To welcoming atmosphere. Set a positive tone and welcome new viewers with open arms. Do not hesitate to say thanks to your viewers. Celebrate your community. Recognize and appreciate your viewers. Feature comments in your videos. Host contests or give shoutouts or loyal subscriber. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. Introduce you to new audience and give your community a chance to interact with others who share their interests. Be authentic and genuine. Let your personality shine through. Your passion and enthusiasm will resonate with viewers and create a space they feel comfortable return to. You can know many big YouTuber name, and if they go somewhere, people are around them, so they are actually celebrities. They just not build channel and they just not create content. They also build community. Don't become a YouTuber, be an influencer in your community. So guys, I hope you understand these things and learn something new. If you learn something new, please like, share and subscribe this channel.